Another day, another adventure. Today, I'm looking for a short, easy trail near Whistler. And we found the train wreck. What up, guys, boys and girls? We're going to the train wreck. We don't know where to go. Jane's Lake. Nope. Okay. Oh, train wreck right here. Right here. It's pretty cold, by the way. It's 5 degrees. Let's go. So we're gonna go for a small detour, and we just saw a nice off trails here. Let's see, is this magic? And we're back to the trails. So we found another sign where to go. We just keep going. Keep going. Safety bears. Time for safety bear. Never approach bears. Never run away. So when you are walking in the trails, always look for signs. Signs will lead you to success, and success will always give you a sign towards to the success. So we are here now. We're here at the train wreck. So what's my opinion here in the train wreck? First of all, it's just a train wreck. That's it. End of the trail.
Nothing here but a train wreck.
What do you feel on this train wreck, Gio?
Well, it's just a train wreck. I mean, it's nothing special in my opinion. It's just like a old train wreck with just graffiti on it.
Same here.
Same. Well, it's a good hike.
Yeah, it was a good hike, but
Well, it's not. I would say it's just a normal trail.
yeah, it's a normal trail. So we are done on this train wreck.
And the No Way vlog because I ran out of battery.
Has no more battery. Also subscribe to Gio. Off we go. On the way back to the car. And that's it. We're done. Time to go. Time to go home.
I'm taking over Lars' vlog because mine died. It's actually charging right now. We just finished the hike on Akshay Trail.
That's the end of this short adventure. It was nice, easy trail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time. Bye.